little video about the box that I made to hold my little #1 Stanley. And the way that I designed this box was to have this insert that would hold it. So basically what I did, and you can see all that this is just that foam, insulation foam blown in. And basically what I did was I wrapped the plane in saran wrap, and I got a larger box and I did the foam into it, and then I cut the foam down to go and match this box, and then just covered this with some satin or some sort of nylon fabric, and then fitted it into the box, which wasn't terribly difficult. A little squeezing to get the fabric in the right way, but it goes in like that. You can clean up the outer edge with a knife or something. And then the plane just sits right into that, like that. And the nice thing is that it doesn't go anywhere. There's no jiggling whatsoever. And so then you can just take and put your lid on your box and count it square. Fairly simple.